This is how to find out if your corn is ready to harvest. I have a huge ear of corn here. This is the biggest one I've ever had. And it looks so good. It's like a baby. So I'm gonna test to see if this is ripe. First, you start out by counting the days from the time you start seeing the silks, like these, coming out. And then they say about 20 days later, that's when it's ready. So I started to see them around June 3rd. So I think it's almost ready. Another thing to test is you kind of feel for it. If it's not like hard, like how the core feels, then there's probably kernels on them. So it's gonna be a little bit softer. I'm feeling for it. I think this is where the actual cob ends. This is all silks right here. And then the next thing to test for is you actually open this up and then you pierce one of the kernels and check to see if the juice that comes out is a little bit milky or if it's clear or if there's none at all. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I'm literally gonna open. There's a lot of ants. I guess that's a good sign it's sweet. I don't know. Anyways, I'm gonna peel these down. Look at that, it looks so cool. Corn is such a weird crop. I'm just gonna go ahead and start peeling these down. So I'm starting to see the actual cob. Look, this is like a full ear. Ah. I'm so excited. I'm gonna pull this down a little bit more. You could actually see more of it. Oh, this looks so exciting. Trying to expose the corn. Oh wow, yeah. This looks so nice. Okay. I have a feeling it's still young, but let's just try. Oh, my finger's really dirty. I think it's ready. If it was clear, I think it wouldn't be ready. And if there was no juice at all, that means that it is too old. So I think it's ready to harvest. I'm gonna grab this at the base of the cob corn and try my best not to break the whole stalk off. I did that once before. Alright. And then pull up. Oh, and pull up. And pull up. Yes! Looks so good. There are so many ants. They love this stuff because it's sweet. And the corn. Pierce test. So it's like milky, cloudy-ish white. It's ready. And then yeah. Look how perfect it is. It doesn't even have like a top. Barely. Amazing. Got another ear that I was checking out. I noticed that when these start turning a little bit brown on the edges, it looks almost ready. So, here we go. I mean, that might be ready. I think it is. I think it's ready. Try this with my left hand. It's ready. Down and up. Pretty stuck on there. Oof. Alright, if you needed any more evidence, this is how it looks like. It looks so beautiful. This is my first time growing corn, by the way. I'm by no means an expert, but with simple methods like this, you can get a good harvest.
Follow for more gardening content.